Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type OLED. Panel type OLED. Skin size 48, 55, 65, 77 inch USA, Europe, and 42, 48, 55, 65, 77, 83 inch USA, Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 165 Hz and 144 Hz. Brightness 4000 nits and 3000 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 84 ppi and 68 ppi. Color bit 10 bit. Response time 0.1 millisecond. Contrast ratio. Video processor Alpha 11. HDMI variable refresh rate, yes. Consumer electronic control, yes. Auto low latency mode, yes. Anti-reflection coating, yes. Ambient light sensor, yes. Quick media switching, yes. High gig, yes. HDR formats HDR10 Hybrid Long Gamma Dolby Vision IQ. Part 2 Connectivity. HDMI version HDMI 2.1. HDMI ports 4. USB ports 2 into USB-A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax. Bluetooth 5.3. 3.5 mm audio jack, yes. Part 3 Features. TV platform WebOS. Version at launch 24. OS updates, yes. AirPlay, yes. HomeKit, yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Search browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. Part 4 Audio. Speakers 60 watt 4.2 and 40 watt 4.2. HDMI ARC and EARC, yes. Dolby Atmos, yes. Dolby Digital Plus, yes. Dolby AC3, AC4, yes. Stereo speakers, yes. Subwoofer, yes. Part 5 Design. Dimensions 149.4 into 73.9 into 7.7 mm and 1441 into 836 into 24.3 mm. Weight 28.6 kg and 37.2 kg. Wall mount 400 into 200 mm. Special features: XR backlight master drive, PS5 features, game menu and eco dashboard, IMAX enhance, and OLED Evo OLED EX heatsink, brightness booster max, game optimizer dashboard on all design, wireless zero connect. Tuners: attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.